Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to disable USB CD-ROM in domain environment. So let's start. First we need to log into the AD server and then open run command, then type gpmc.msc. The group policy management open. Now you need to go on the group policy object tab, then right click on it, create new. Then you need to give the policy name. So I'm going to give the USB disabled policy. Click on OK. Now the policy has been created. You can also rename it if the name is not correct. Then right click on it, add it, then go to the computer configuration, click on policies, administrative templates, and there is option system, and then you need to go into the removal storage tab. This is the option. It comes under system. Then then you need to go to the CD DVD denied access. You can also check the what the policy is, what you can say, what exactly the policy is doing. This policy setting denies execute access to the CD and DVD removal storage. If this policy setting execute, access is denied to the removal storage. So I'm going to enable it. Then same for the read access. Then same for the write access also. These three settings we need to enable for the CD-ROM. Now I am going to show you this how to disable USB. So there is a same in the same console. You need to go to the remove disk option. So we need to enable this setting also. This explanation is already here, so you can read it. This policy setting denies execute access to removal disk. If you enable this policy setting, execute access is denied to this removal storage. So I'm going to make it enable these three settings. So what we have done, we have blocked execute access, read access, write access. Now the option also we need to deny this also. So now we have disabled CD and USB in. We have make it a CD and USB policy. Now we need to go to the domain OU and we need to link it accordingly. If you want to link it in a specific OU, you can also link it. So it's done. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.